near the end of his life, he came to visit us in the country. I was teaching at Tanglewood. We had a little house, a farmhouse, and he and Mother came up. And at one point, I don't know what it was that created this, not a confrontation, but a discussion about something. I said to him, you know, Papa, in all the years that we have been together and doing things musically together, you have never once complimented me. Wow. And he looked aghast, and he said, I compliment you? You are so high above me.
Ooh. Wow.
I find that totally tragic
Wow.
because it froze the possibility of a relationship for years and years and years before that. That was what he was thinking? That's again, in a peculiarly reversed way, it's an Oedipal thing. The idea of a competition, or the idea of a superiority of one over another. You know, I think of my father's music as utterly authentic. And what's more important than authentic? Complicated, intellectual, you know, whatever. But authentic is the final value. But he was so uncertain. And I thought that was a truly tragic moment.